So I'm going to show you how to help a student back up their work so they can access it at a later date in case they lose access to the class notebook. And so, for example, if Kaylee wants to save something that's in her workspace in the notebook, she needs to go to her profile, and then she's going to select which pages she wants to keep out of the assignments tab and right-click and hit copy. And then she's going to want to go find the notebook that says Kaylee at Bellingham Public Schools, which is kind of their personal notebook that comes with their Office 365 account. It doesn't get deleted. And so they're going to click on that, and then they're going to find a space or create a space where they're going to call it saved work. And they could, create section groups and organize it by class, however they wanted to do that. But for now, the best thing to do is at least get it in here. And then they're going to bring their cursor over to the right-hand side and right-click and hit paste. And those two assignments will be pasted right there. And so she'll have an extra copy.